Story that's been breaking and it's been building up. China's salami slicing tactics are now continuing in Bhutan. The latest that we are getting is that 4 new villages have been constructed near Doklam. The new construction on the Bhutanese soil is particularly worrying for India, since India has historically advised Bhutan on its external relations policy and continues to train its armed forces there. Our defense correspondent Abhishek Bhalla is joining us. He's been looking at the satellite pictures. Abhishek, tell us exactly what's been happening in Bhutan. What do the satellite pictures show?
Well, Rajdeep, there are 4 villages that these satellite pictures are indicating, which are on Bhutanese territory. China claims this is disputed area, but you know what is significant is that ever since the last 1 month, when China and Bhutan have signed an agreement and they want to sort out these disputes which are long-standing, and they want to put it on a map, China has been asserting itself. And these are areas close to Doklam, and the fact that there was, a face-off that continued for over 70 days between India and China in the Doklam area, it becomes very important because these are areas that China has been trying to claim, even though they are in Bhutan. But these are areas that China would want to hold on to because it gives it a strategic
options, though,
advantage
Abhishek,
when it comes to dealing with India.
What are
these villages?
What are India's options here?
These villages, Rajdeep, what I was pointing out is are not restricted to Bhutanese territory, but along the LAC, China has been constructing such villages. Some of them are very close to the borders. It's been reported in the past that some of these villages are on Indian territory. India has denied this, but this is a larger strategy by China to claim land in disputed areas. Very recently, the army commander of the Eastern Command was speaking to journalists. I was also present, and he said that the Indian army has taken cognizance of these villages, and it's part of their operational preparedness. So India is concerned about this, taking it very seriously and readying itself to counter it. And also India is trying to enhance its infrastructure close to the LAC.
Right.
But certainly this is a big concern, because what this means is that China is trying to stake claim to areas which are disputed, and if villages are settled, if people come and settle there, in the long run it helps them to say that this is our territory.
Okay, let me leave it there. Abhishek Bhalla, we'll keep tracking that story. Concerns now not just in Arunachal Pradesh, but also what China is doing in Bhutan.